In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit euros in your KuCoin wallet. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form. And this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account. But if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. Firstly, go to buy crypto right here and then fiat deposit. Now select your currency, in this case it's euros, but you can search for any other currency right here. And now we have two different options. So the bank transfer option, where you will need to provide your bank account details and it will have a very small fee. And then this option, so you can make payments through your bank account without entering your account information. With both of these options, you will deposit your fiat directly on your KuCoin account. But if you prefer, you can instantly buy any crypto by clicking right here, the fast trade option. Here you can put any amount of fiat you want to spend and then the currency you want to receive. For example, let's say we want to buy 50 euros worth of Bitcoin. We can do it like this and then select the payment method we want to use. So we have Google Pay, we have our credit card, a bank transfer, you can also use Apple Pay. And after you select your payment method, you will just need to enter the payment method information and you will instantly buy any crypto coin with your fiat. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.